Okay, leero tugenda ku unboxing Airpods zaffe. Yeah, bazita Airpods Pro second generation. Yeah, Airpods Pro second generation, and yeah, Airpods Pro second generation. So zino za type C. In fact tuzikozesa enkola enkadde ya Thunderbolt. So they're distributed by on a distributor naka green kamulabako, Reddington. Yeah, so zibikula tugenda kusika guno eno obubiri buno. So akakwatako bwoti kasiil tujjako ne wano simanyi kiteekakola naye ndaba waliwo nti kakusika. So, oh, okay, yeah. Ino kakutulawo bwotyo. Okusobola okugiggula, yeah, kekabadde kakutte eno. Wano tukayuzizza bubi, so gamu asigaddeko. Yeah, that's better. Okay, yeah. Jesus. Yes, so designed by unboxing gone wrong. So tewali kibaddewo. So designed by Apple, California. I think it's original. And giramu kiwamu, giramu za user manual. Yeah, zirika mimi za njawulo nedda user manual, of course tubafiri kati tuzisoma ezo. So nabigamu, so tefaanana no Airpods. Wow, pretty heavy. Buzitowa, so kiraga nti bulina kuba buli original. Ooh, I love this. Type C. So bangambye tebugirako muliro. Bulina matte finish. Very, very beautiful. They smell brand new from the factory. So akuba kasito oba kakuma nnyo omuliro simanyi. Then kagwako bulungi oba okazaako. So do we have something else under here? Oh, it actually comes with a charger, a cable charger. Yeah, Janic cable, C2C. That's nice because my plug is C2C, so I don't have to buy another plug. And then still more. Oh, more extra rubbers. How good can this get? Yeah. So rubber buliko tebukoledde oba obubuzizza oba bukulumya amatu. So there are some extra rubbers here for you. 1, 2, 3 pairs. 3 more pairs. Mulimu obunene, mulimu obutono ddala ne medium. So I think this is nice. Yeah, I guess that's all. So something underneath. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Kibano box tugenda gisuula kikosi ndi mufirika buno ndabutereka omwo then nekananga katerekamu tereka buli eri obuntu. This is the just use the cable. Oh, actually, yeah, this packaging is sick. There is a bloody. Yeah, so cable looks pretty premium. Yeah, like a premium. See, pure white. It's like grayish, some light gray, so it looks real premium. I think I love this. I think I love it. Yeah, so guys, check your. Oh, you wanna see how the table looks after unpacking? Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Buno ngenda kubuteeka ku charger ndabe nti bufuna ku muliro, then testing a sound. Mwebale kulaba. Bye.